All right, today marks demo day. So far they've knocked this completely out. This was sitting up here, right here, and it was bloop like that. And so now it's on the ground completely. So that's pretty much it down here because for the most part, the first floor is already demoed. So you don't need to demo something. This room is untouched. So no demo here. Then we go up the stairs. And this is where the magic happens. So this is absolutely insane. Wow. So it came all out of the attic. Let's see. I told them to save every door baseboard, so that's what they're doing right now. And then this is just the ceiling coming down from the other side. Just so you guys can see how the ceiling is really cracked in several places. And so this would have continued to happen if I would have kept the plaster, so it's better to rip it off and down. And here goes our notes. Better to rip it down and to put drywall up. And then we're keeping plaster on these walls. And as you see, keep walls, ceiling only. He started a little bit right here, but didn't continue on. He demoed the wall between the closet and the hall closet and then the guest room closet. So this will now be the hallway bathroom. Let me back up because I'm filming with my camera. We have like wide angle lens on here. So anyways, this will be the new hall bathroom. And so what you'll see here will be vanity, toilet right there, vanity, toilet, and then tub right here. So this is how much space is in here. Okay, and that's what everything looks like. And then this is another big transformation. So yeah, that's everything. And then you can see the ceilings are cracked in there as well. And then here they're worse in the hallway. And so yeah, all that's coming out. There's more cracking going on. So this is day 2 of demo. I can't even talk. So now the wall is coming out. Oh my gosh, this looks so much better already. And then this used to be an old knob and tube, the electrical panel right here. So you can just see that. That's coming out for sure. They have the door jamb, because remember I said save all the doors and the door jambs. They still have to take this part off. Let me back up a little bit. And as you can see,
an hour yesterday.
Yeah, all by yourself. Oh look, you can see outside.
Yeah, I don't know where the bolts are from.
That's from the soffit. Look at that. Wow. And the new bathroom. So they ripped out the whole wall. Coolness. Demo feels like it goes much faster than
Show them your snow.
yeah, there's plenty of snow. All right, update. So demo is now done. So down here wasn't much that needed to be done. They took the plaster off the fireplace at the very top. I think it looks way better. Down at the bottom, I plan to paint. The same thing for this fireplace. My friends are in the video. And that's the same thing we're gonna do with this fireplace. Yeah, you remember we were standing on top of the drywall right there? Mm-hmm. And then this is the laundry room. Nothing has much changed in here. Laundry room, mud room, and bathroom. Like, oh, they removed the, they framed in the shower at one point. So that is the only thing that has been removed from here. Okay. And then in the back area, this has gone through the largest amount of demolition, is the back area. And this is actually a fireplace, was a fireplace, and you could see at the very top where they would have had a like a potbelly stove down here, and then the exhaust going there at the very top. So that's what that is. My idea is actually to build in shelves and then have that as a like a wine rack, and then probably put the wine fridges over here and then make this like a little wine nook. That's what I was thinking. The back wall right here will have all of the kitchen cabinets all along here, and then there will be an island right here in the center. And then one of the things that we did notice is that this is plaster straight onto brick. I don't know if you can see that, but anywho, they're gonna have to continue building out the wall on this wall right here so that it's all level and it's all, you know, yeah, because right now that wall sticks out further than this wall right here. And then, oh, for people that don't know, when I kept on saying knob and tube and why is it very important, so this is knob and tube that's hanging down right here, this black wire, the tube part, and then you can see it at the very top there. The knob and tube was cut off, so you know it's not active, but this is the new wiring standard right here that you see hanging down. So the electrician is coming through next week, tracing all the lines and making sure that the electrical is going exactly where I want it. But you can just definitely see the historic knob and tube in the house. But this is dangerous because it's not insulated, it's not grounded, and it will catch your house on fire, or your house will catch on fire. So this is the old knob and tube box there. Yeah. So this is going to be taken out, of course, with all the knob and tube out of there. So that's the next thing that has to come down. This was all bricked in, this room right here, and that is removed. So that's one last view of the kitchen. The sitting room, nothing has changed in here. Again, the only thing that needs to occur is for this to be patched and of course refinish the flooring. Now we're going to go upstairs to see what occurred as far as demo up here. So now this used to be the hallway closet. I feel like I'm zoomed in. Anyways, this used to be the hallway closet, and then this used to be the bedroom closet, and now you can see that they're combined into one, and this will now become the new, excuse me, I think you can see it better this way, the new bathroom for both of the guest bedrooms. So that is that. And this is the first guest bedroom. The demo that happened here, they remove all the ceilings, so they will be drywalling that. The electrician is, like I said, is coming this week to run all the electrical work as I pointed out. I want LED lights in here, and so he's going to make sure that happens. This old entrance into the closet is going to be closed off. This door is supposed to be removed and go into the guest bedroom. And then I have a whole bunch of salvage doors. Whatever we don't keep and use, I will donate it to like a historical organization. The toilet just needs to be thrown away. And here again, the electrical and the drywall needs to occur, and then obviously all the floors will be sanded down and stained. All right, this is the tub right here that will go into the bathroom right there. I need to measure it because I don't know if but this is a clawfoot tub. Huh, this is not a drop-in. Oh, this might be going back in the master bedroom. Yep, it's a clawfoot tub. I just realized that. So when it was built in case, you couldn't tell, but yeah, this is gonna go into the master suite. Okay, that means I have to send some stuff back. Got a lot of stuff to send back then. Got to change the design at the last minute. So anyways, and here the same thing will occur. Drywall the ceilings, refinish the flooring, But the biggest thing that happened in here was the whole wall was removed. They're waiting for a beam to come in, and the beam will go from here to here, so that, you know, load balancing and whatnot, and then this wall will go completely away. And then the new entrance into my bathroom will be right here. It's super dark over here, but anyways, it's unsafe to go in there, so I'm not gonna go in there. But anyways, this will be the new entrance into the bathroom. Let me get to an angle that you could probably see. But the attic ladder right here is going to be relocated into the hallway right here. And then the bathroom where I'm standing right now, where the ladder and stuff of that nature, because the wall right here will connect to this exterior wall. All of this right here will be my shower. This will be closed off right here. And then in here will be my standing tub. You'll have a toilet right here, and then vanity right here. And like I said, you'll enter into the bathroom from right here. So now this whole area that you see, let me get over here where the light is. It's kind of a overcast day, but the wall behind this wall would now be built-ins right here that will serve as my closet for this room. So that's how that goes. Let me see what else that needs to occur. Same thing, electrical up here. You still see some remnants of knob and tube. Again, all the knob and tube is cut off so that it's not active, but it's dangerous because it will catch stuff on fire. So that concludes the house tour. So hopefully, if you have any questions, just ask. Let me know if there's something that you want to know in more detail, and I'll get that to you.